Hey, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, Supernex. This is my 2-inch eyepiece revolver. Now, in this video, it's a video for reminder. It's nothing more. I know it would be silly for you to know, okay, but just as a reminder, this video is done, okay? And for those who don't know whether these parts are available or not, okay, so they don't have to bother like drilling them at the lathe machine or something. You can buy them, okay? They are available. This is a 2-inch eyepiece revolver. Each one here can take an eyepiece of 2-inch size, and the 2-inch eyepiece is something similar to this. Okay, we get it from the bag. So here, and this is a 2-inch. See how big it is. Okay, so here we can install this. Okay, now the issue here is I want to also use the same one here for 1.25-inch eyepieces, and I do have the better revolver, okay, and the case on revolver, okay, for 1.25-inch eyepieces. Let me show you them, okay. And the purpose of this video, how to convert the 1.25-inch or allow the 1.25-inch to be installed in this. And this way you can mix between the 2-inch eyepieces and the 1.25-inch eyepieces. And there's the like, if you want to say the diamond here or something, like the pivotal point here is that with the 2-inch eyepieces you can't reach or can't use even the very short, like a focal length, like under maybe 10 or 8 millimeters, okay. So that's why you need, if you want to mix between those, the 1.25-inch and the 2-inch, okay, like this is a 1.25-inch eyepiece, okay. So I need an adapter here, okay. So this is, like you can see, it's big, okay. So this is 1.25-inch. So the adapter, okay, will be this one. But let me show you the revolver for the one that's case on, and the other one which is from Bader, okay. Okay, I'll just pause the video for a while until I get them out, okay. So now we resume the video. So this package here, okay, has the case on, okay. As you can see, you can install 1.25-inch on it, smaller sizes, okay. So it's just for comparison. This is the 2-inch, so you can see the difference, okay. See, it's okay. The size here, see. Okay. Here you can also install a filter if you want, or a barrel lens, okay, from inside, if you have a lens that can be installed from inside, okay. Now, and here, just for you to understand that it revolves and it has quick stops, okay. Another one just because of 3. Let's count to 3, okay. Anyway, so this is the case on. Let me just wrap it and take it back to the box. Now this is the Bader, okay, Q-turret they call it, because it's quadrant, okay, quad turret if you want to say, like 4 times, okay, 4 eyepieces, okay. So each one here, each cover, you can install an eyepiece, okay. This is original Bader, and you can here. There are click stops, but I made this one smoother. It's easier for me to revolve it, okay. Okay. I can feel the click stops, really, but they are just little, okay, or like very faintly felt, okay. Now, let's go to our main goal, okay. Now that you know that there are revolvers and types of revolvers, okay. I could have just told you the existence of the adapters and just use them and that's it on the 2-inch revolver, but just also at the same time, so you know that if you don't want that big one, okay, the 2-inch revolver, and you just want the 1.25-inch revolver, okay, they exist too, okay. Okay, so all I'm doing is just tell you that these things do exist, okay. It's not just something that you just a kind of some idea within your head that's not executed, okay. So in order to let the 1.25-inch sit with the 2-inch, okay, so we have this adapter, okay, we have this eyepiece, for example, okay, we can simply insert it like this, okay, though it's easier for me, okay, just to install the adapter first. And okay, this one has a screw, so this screw here is blocking the adapter from getting inside, okay. We have to save it also, of course. If we did it this way, like give a spacing, it should be going inside, as far as I understand. No, still not. Oh yeah, now it can go, okay. So we have, yeah, we have the screws also banning it, yeah, stopping it from getting inside. So we have to save the screws, not to lose them. We can just put it over here. I hope so. Yeah, it works. So we can just put it over here from the side. Okay, the screw works here. Okay, like I'm lucky. And this is the 1.25-inch. Okay, we can put another one. I do have another one, and I'm planning to get a third one. So this way, we don't give a chance for the 1.25 inches say no to you, okay. They all can be all used, and the 2 inches eyepiece, I see this has a thickness here, so it's okay. And it's here, okay. See, now I can install another eyepiece. I do have my own telescope, of course, but just like there's no need to install it, just to show you this, okay. It's very obvious anyway. It's trying to fasten it, okay, firmly, so they don't fall. This has to be forward. This okay. Now we're doing it right. Okay, let's see. That's still there. Okay, now I get it. Okay, now this is the screw here has to go inside with this adapter. Okay, so this means we have to align the screw holes. Anyway, it's okay, you can raise it, no problem. Would be better. Okay, yes, I couldn't align the screw holes, like the screw hole of this. Okay, here there's a screw hole here, and there's the screw hole where the screw is inserted now, so they would be aligned, okay, together, so they can fit together, okay, or be installed together, okay. So I'm gonna just do this. Okay, so I re-screw the screw over here, and then okay, then here. Okay. Okay. And now it's working like this. Yeah, it does not fall. Okay, let's see now. Nothing's falling. Great. Okay. So that's it. So this way we can revolve it. See, imagine this is my telescope tube. Okay, so I just simply revolve it like this. This, if you revise my videos, I had a fix for this, which is adding inside another roundel. Okay, screw roundel. So, or a rounder for the screw, so it can revolve smoothly. Okay, so this way we have now 2-inch eyepieces in combination with 1.25-inch eyepieces. Okay. Thanks for watching. This has been Rani Ahmed with you, the computer expert and the astrophotography hobbyist and the microscopy hobbyist. Okay. I'm planning also to use this one more time on a like a biological microscope too. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Please subscribe and like our channel.